Okay, so engine's now on the stand, ready to be reassembled with the bike. This is dry, it's basically dry, but it's just baking. Forks are dry. Forks, swing arm. Forks are dry, top stanchion. And out here the frame is being lacquered, looks sick. It's got like a real pearlescent in it. Don't know if you can see or not. But yeah, that's drying. It's probably dry now, but give it like half an hour. Daryl is cleaning the wheels. Then we're going to start assembling. Okay, so we just got the frame on. Let's swing on. What did I do with the swing on bolt there? One have we got stuck in it? Put a tiny little bit like on the start of that. Yeah, that'll do. Right. What size is that? 17, isn't he? I don't want this too tight. No, it's a 14, but it'll do a. Is that about good? Right, let's leave that at that. Okay, so now what next? Did we tackle the forks? Yeah. It's the least wanted job. Right, if you put some grease in there. Oh, this is the bit I hate the most. Those are all from the bottom. Put the top ones in first though. Grab the forks. Freshly painted. Oh no, it's by your foot. Oh, you fucked it. Right, pass them out. Put that on the top. Is there grease in there?
Yeah.
We need to look into getting like a cartridge bearing for this.
They should make them.
Do you reckon?
Without taper bearings.
Sure, it's definitely missing a few, isn't it? That fly's like having a rave.
Yeah.
Oh no. It's lucky. Oh no, we're not actually missing any. No, yeah, we are. A few. Right. The bottom. Is there grease in there? Right, we're going to get this on and then I will start recording again because this is going to be a pain. Okay, so we just managed to get the castle nut tight. Use it on there. Right, shall we slide the forks in? My newly refurbished stanchions.
Are they both the same? There's one different.
Well, one's got a brake on it, doesn't it? Which goes on...
This side.
Yeah, it is. Grab the other one. So far, this build's gone quite well.
It has. Forks come out nice.
Yeah, the forks look. I think the forks are the best out of the whole lot.
Yeah.
Let's have that big spanner. Awesome. No, I might as well do those at the same time. That'll do. Let's tighten these up. How often do you think I should release these videos?
Gotta keep them interested.
Like one every 2 or 3 days?
Yeah.
Right. Now we are going to get the shocks on and the wheels. Sure, the wheel bearings aren't the best. They've got no play, they're just not great. So it's 17. Let's have the gum. Sick. God, it started to look like a bike again. Well, what it is of a bike. Right. Shock. I'm going to try and move that down really. No, let's leave them. We use those for the outside actually. It's too small, yeah. Oh no, there wasn't any on the inside, was there?
Shouldn't be.
No, it's flush on the inside and it's just those on the outside. That didn't happen.
A nice breeze.
Yeah, so hot in here. No. What is he?
16.
Why?
Adjustable.
Let's leave the top loose. Right, let's have the other shot. Right down there, on the chair. One odd size nut, God knows why. It did come like that, I haven't lost it. Right, now, rear wheel. Go on. Where is the adjuster for this side? There. Right. If we turn it round, we can set the brake up so it's like further back. How are we going to turn it round so that stand won't spin?
Pick it up.
Go on, you take that side. You take the back. Hold on. What other bike could you do that with? Alright. The engine's brand new, supposedly. See, the brake's amazing. Why are you being like this? That is how he
Go under
goes.
or over?
Oops. Idiot.
Yeah, it goes up through here, doesn't it?
I don't know, I can't really remember. Yeah, probably. Right, split pin, don't let me forget the split pin. Right, we need to, right, just going to adjust the brake and I'll be back. Okay, so we're just getting all the, just getting the chain and everything on, got the little ignition barrel. Sick. Just gonna go up there. Right, now I think while Dara's getting that, we can put the bars on. Pretty happy did it come with rentals. So it would have been my bar of choice anyway. What size is it? 16. You got any bigger ones? Get some more top speed. Got the thing?
I've got a 20.
I don't want a 20, that won't even fit. Right, look at that.
Nice.
That's cool, isn't it? Right, bars.
Are they fake?
The bars?
Yeah.
No. What size is he? Underneath? 17, isn't it?
17.
It's got like billet triple clamps. It's got like billet top mounts. Oh, I'm being retarded. Right, that'll do. So, bars are now on. Let's get this little guard back on. See, Lifan. Oh, here's something else that's quite interesting. So we've done a check on the VIN of the bike. We don't know if it's stolen yet, but it's come back as an actual Lifan monkey bike, not like a Zhongshan or like Chinese make or whatever. Well, Lifan's still Chinese, but like I think Lifan's one of the better Chinese. So yeah, there we go. Now we're going to get the controls on and see what's next.